Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you something about a Titanic dataset prediction. This prediction chapter title are up to 1 to 11. Now we see that what is Titanic dataset prediction. This model predicts whether a passenger would survive on the Titanic into account and comparing and finding relation among various future. Next, background and motivation. This is about a disaster prediction. In this data set, I am going to predict how many peoples are alive using passenger data. Example, name, age, gender, socio-economic class. Next, problem statement and dataset description. The problem statement of this model is I'm going to design a model based on given training data set which predicted the survival, whether it is real disaster or not. If it is predicted, considered as 1. If it is not predicted, it's considered as 0. This is a big problem here. Next, dataset description. The Titanic problem is based on the sinking of the unsinkable ship in early 1912. It gives you information about multiple people like their passenger ID, survive, class, name, gender, age, ships, parch, ticket, fare, cabin, embarked. Next, existing methodology to identify the person is alive or dead. Next, provided the passenger data set. Next, uses a random forest classifier. Random forest classifier is a combined output of multiple decision tree to a single result. Next, proposed methodology to identify the person or alive or not. Uses various classification model and evaluate the best model. In case we have any accident in future, we can predict how many people will alive. Next, model implementation. First, importing libraries. Next, loading dataset, exploring dataset, visualization. Next, pre-processing. In pre-processing, first we are doing dropping, next identifying missing value, filling missing value, convert categorical value to numerical values. Next, building ML model using KNN, logistic regression, SVM, random forest classifier, decision tree classifier. Next, testing and evaluation. Here I used 5 models. Logistic regression model will play a better role. Here I am using logistic regression to calculate and predict the probability of binary yes or no event occurring. Logistic has a supervised learning, so I will be used as a logistic regression model. I got 81% accuracy compared to the existing solution. My accuracy increases among 3%. Next, accuracy. Accuracy can also be defined as the ratio of the number. The best value of accuracy is 1 and the worst value of accuracy is 0. Next, precision. Precision can be defined with the respect of either of the classes. One is negative class and another one is positive class. Next, recall. Recall can also be defined as the either of the class. One is true positive rate and another one is true negative rate. Next, F1 score. F1 score is considered as one of the best metrics. F1 score is weighted average of recall and precision of the respective classes. They are some values of accuracy score model of training data and testing data. Next, precision score of model and recall score values and F1 score values. Next, conclusion of this project. I try to show you some techniques used to understand this data set and run a predictive model. I used many different ways to approach and exploratory data analysis and follow this reference code which is made by me and know how it I predicted and implemented the dataset. Thank you.